Have you ever wondered how to integrate AI into your art pieces? Imagine the fascinating intersection where art meets artificial intelligence. This is a space where creativity blooms in unprecedented ways, making art pieces more interactive, dynamic, and engaging. It's like stepping into a whole new world where the traditional boundaries of art are pushed and new forms of artistic expression spring to life. Artificial intelligence isn't just about algorithms and data. It's about enhancing the creative process. It can generate unique patterns, colors, and styles that you might never have imagined. It can help you see your art from a different perspective, adding a layer of depth and complexity that was previously unattainable. The marriage of art and AI is not just about the future. It's happening right now. It's about taking the raw essence of human creativity and pairing it with the limitless potential of technology. With the right tools and a bit of ingenuity, you too can bring a touch of AI to your art. But before we dive in, let's understand what AI is and how it can play a role in art. Artificial intelligence, often shortened to AI, is a fascinating field of computer science that focuses on creating smart machines capable of thinking, learning, and acting like humans. Picture a computer program that can learn from past experiences, adapt to new information, and perform human-like tasks. That's AI in a nutshell. So how does AI fit into the world of art? Well, AI is revolutionizing the art world in ways we could only dream of a few years ago. Artists and technologists are using AI to push the boundaries of creativity, resulting in some truly awe-inspiring works. One way artists are using AI is to create AI-generated art. This is art that is entirely created by an AI algorithm. The algorithm is trained on a data set of images, learning the patterns and styles of the art it's shown. It then uses this knowledge to generate its own unique artwork. A famous example of this is the portrait of Edmond de Bellamy, which was created by an AI and sold for a staggering $432,000 at Christie's auction house. But AI is not just used to create art, it's also used to assist in the creation of art. AI can be used to suggest color palettes, generate sketches, and even create 3D models. Artists can then use these AI-generated elements as a starting point for their own work. One such example is the work of artist Anna Ridler, who used AI to create a series of moving images. She fed an AI thousands of photos of tulips, and the AI used these images to generate a film that reflects the changing price of tulips in the 17th century. So, as you can see, AI is not just a tool for techies, it's a tool for artists too, opening up new avenues of creativity and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in art. Now that we understand what AI is and how it can be used in art, let's move on to the practical part. First, we need to gather our tools. As we dive into the world of AI integration in art, it's crucial to ensure we're equipped with the right tools. Let's start with the heart of the operation, a computer. A high-performance computer with a robust processor and ample RAM is essential. This will facilitate smooth running of AI software and allow you to work without hitches. Next up, the software. There's a diverse range of AI programs out there. Some popular options include DeepArt, ArtBreeder, and DeepDream. These programs allow you to create intricate designs, manipulate images, and even generate art from scratch. You might also consider a drawing tablet. This isn't a strict requirement, but it can provide a more natural drawing experience. Tablets like the Wacom Intuos Pro or the Huion Canvas Pro are great choices. And let's not forget a reliable internet connection. Many AI art tools are cloud-based, so a stable connection can make a world of difference. With these tools at hand, we can start our AI integration journey. Now, we're ready to integrate AI into our art piece. First things first, you'll need to set up your software. Many of the AI tools we mentioned earlier have user-friendly interfaces, and it's usually as easy as downloading the software and creating an account. Make sure to explore the software and familiarize yourself with its features. The brush tools, color palettes, filters, and so on. This is your canvas, and these are your tools. The second step is to upload or create your art. If you're starting from scratch, let your creativity run wild. Draw, paint, sketch. There's no limit to what you can do. If you're uploading a pre-existing piece, ensure it's a high-resolution image for the best results. Now, here comes the fun part, integrating AI. Depending on the software you're using, there could be a range of AI tools at your disposal. These tools can analyze your art, suggest improvements, or even create new elements. For instance, some AI tools can identify the dominant colors in your piece and suggest complementary ones. Others can analyze your style and suggest similar artists for inspiration. There are even AI tools that can create new elements in your art piece, like adding a sunset to a landscape or a bird to a nature scene. The key here is to experiment. Try different tools, play around with settings, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. AI is a tool, not a replacement for the artist. It's here to enhance your creativity, not take over. Once you've made your adjustments, take a step back and review your piece. Do you like what you see? Does it feel like your style? Or has the AI taken over too much? Remember, the goal is to create a piece that feels like a collaboration between you and the AI, not a piece that's solely the product of AI. If you're not happy with the result, don't worry. Go back, make adjustments, try different tools. The beauty of AI is that it's iterative. It learns from your inputs and gets better over time. So, the more you use it, the more it will understand your style and preferences. Once you're satisfied with your piece, it's time to save and export your work. Most software will allow you to choose the format and resolution of your final piece. Choose a high-resolution format to ensure your art looks its best. And voila! You have successfully integrated AI into your art piece. With a bit of practice and a lot of creativity, you'll soon be creating art pieces that are a beautiful blend of human creativity and AI innovation. So go ahead, explore, experiment, and most importantly, have fun with it. Let's recap what we've learned today. We began by exploring the fascinating world of art and AI, understanding that AI, or artificial intelligence, is not just about robots and algorithms, but an innovative tool that can open up a new realm of creativity. We then dived into its role in art, where it can be used to create, augment, or even interpret art in ways we've never seen before. We also covered the essential tools you need to integrate AI into your art. From software to hardware, these tools help translate your artistic vision into a digital masterpiece powered by AI. Then we took a step-by-step journey through the process of integration, from setting up your workspace, choosing the right AI tool, to executing your vision. Remember, integrating AI into your art is an exciting journey of exploration and creativity. So don't be afraid to experiment and create something truly unique. Happy creating!